Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving a few minutes for watching this video. Here, I usually observe business people. Many of us will perform a lot of marketing before starting any business. Even like supermarket or groceries, whatever we are starting, we will do a lot of advertisements before starting the business, such as social media marketing, Facebook and YouTube, and so on. But once we start the business, we may forget to do marketing. We are avoiding marketing for a variety of reasons, not just financial one. Like other issues, we are denying the marketing. Here, we are bringing an excellent solution that will function extremely well for your marketing while doing billing and accounting. Billing software and minimal accounting functions are common in retail business, such as supermarkets and groceries, even like hardware shop and other retail business. But now I am going to show you Raintech billing software. This program will handle billing, accounting, and marketing all in single one platform. Raintech software is a revolutionary software for billing, accounting, and marketing. There are a ton of features integrated into this software, but due to time limitations, I will only discuss a few of them. Number one, catalog creation. You may have seen a printed catalog in Carrefour or Lulu, such a big type of hypermarkets and supermarkets. But why we are unable to do this? A reason, like a normal business is running with one-man army. He may not have plenty of time to visit Photoshop designer and again proceed to printing machine to obtain the printout. It is a horrible job basically. With consider this, Raintech software developed a digital catalog technology. In the software itself, there is number of templates are available. You can choose your relevant template and you can select a few products or a group of products and just click on view catalog. The beautiful catalog will display in front of you. Again, there is a simple solution is that the generated PDF catalog will distribute to all your customers through WhatsApp API technology. Means just a single click, you can select a group of customers or particular few customers or all customers and click on send button. The catalog will reach to all customers of WhatsApp. You do not need to spend any money for that because the catalog is going from your own personal WhatsApp numbers that can directly integrate to Raintech POS billing software. You can create unlimited number of catalog and deliver them to an unlimited number of clients or customers. Now you may think that from where these images we will bring, because if you have like 2,000 or 3,000 products are there in your inventory, you need to update one by one images from the Google or from you will take the photos and updating. It is a horrible job. Practically, it is very difficult. With consider that Raintech software developed artificial intelligence technology. Now again, what is that? The software itself will update all your product images, inventory, whatever the products is there in the inventory, corresponding to the name, the relevant images will bring from the Google image gallery and will update in your offline billing software. So for example, if you have 2,000 or 3,000 products are there in your inventory, even 5,000 or 10,000 products are there in the inventory, you just click on AI tool that will automatically search on each and every product's name, corresponding images will bring and update in the software. AI tool will bring accurate images from the Google image gallery. If you are updating like 150 gram Colgate toothpaste, the same image will bring and store in your computer. Another wonderful feature, e-commerce application connectivity to offline billing software. Online e-commerce enterprises dominate a substantial position in the retail market in India. People's laziness is exploited by companies such as Amazon, Flipkart, etc. And nowadays, customers are not interested to go to any store and making purchase. They don't have parking, they don't have time like this. That's the reason online business is booming. But a normal business person, he is serving in a particular area. He can do service only in that particular areas. He cannot expand his business in online platform. Even if he prepared a e-commerce platform with website and all, like billing software will run separately and website will run separately. Both we need to handle the inventory here, again inventory here. It's a horrible job basically. With consider this, Raintech software club these two platforms together. Means your e-commerce application and billing software is directly connected. Whatever the inventory and products you are uploading here, it will be visible in the e-commerce platform. You can control it again. And whatever the orders is getting from the online platform, it will come to the billing software and you can directly do the billing from the billing software itself. So you can, at the same time, you can do offline business, again online business at a time. In this situation, what will happen? In the daytime, you will do offline business in the shop directly. Same time, you will get online business. Even night also, you will get online business. So 24/7, you can do business with the help of a Raintech billing software. It's not only, again, a billing software, billing, accounting, and marketing software. And we have dedicated customer care service. They will help you on installation, training, and your hardware connectivity. And there is a special team for controlling the e-commerce platforms, for building your e-commerce application, upload in the Play Store, make the applications, mobile applications for you. And there is a QR code is there. So it's a beautiful platform basically. And you can choose this opportunity to grow your business in a drastic way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.